This is everything you need to know to build an outdoor side table. Hey, my name's Tony. Making your own contemporary side table is easier than you think. Let's get into it. First, select 2 pots with roughly the same base diameter. One can be taller, shorter, wider, or flatter, as long as their bases are roughly the same size. Next, grab some quick drying adhesive glue, gluing the pots together base to base, allowing the glue to dry completely. We've used fast drying adhesive to help stop any movement during the drying process. Using a concrete paver, paint the tabletop the color of your choice and allow it to completely dry. We're using white to match the travertine pots, but make sure you're using an outdoor paint. You can also get creative by painting on designs or using a variety of colors. Finally, using the quick drying adhesive glue, attach the tabletop to the pots and leave to dry. And there you have it, a bespoke outdoor side table. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.